Hello. I want to share real quickly up. Okay, I'm just doing a few free. Let's do this. Okay, post is done. And we are going live. I'll just send it to chat quickly. Oh, hello chat. And I wonder, few seconds, I'll just sign in. Sorry about this. Just need to do a thing. Okay. I hope this works. I'll just quickly check that everything works. I see that audio works. Just a quick thing. Quickly. Oh, nice. Okay. Here we go. And we have the chat. All good. And I can hear myself. All good. Right. Close this off. Right. So I have this. Software as a service called Octafest. We made it with a friend, and I am basically bored of trying to look after it with an old version of Laravel, an old version of Vue, and all of that. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to port it over to using it with the Elixir Phoenix framework, LiveVue, and LiveView, which is the glue between a LiveView and a Vue.js app. Because I've just found that LiveView by itself can do a lot of great things and it's really good for simple things, but as soon as you need to do anything a little bit more complex, it becomes really hard to manage. I do that at Marco CH, where my current workplace is, where we do a secondhand eShop, and it's really hard on some things, and it's like something simple that's been done for so many times. It's just really hard to do. So for this project, I decided to use my strengths, which is Vue. I've been doing Vue for a very long time. I'll be using chat CMView port to make these things work. And yeah, basically, let's get started. I'll show you what the project looks like right now. Let's switch to our view. So okay, I can show you in Festly home, I think. Yeah, so this is what the app. This is just like the basic. So you can see that we have another film festival, Scanorama, and that's running also our version, and it's being a bit slow. And you see it's like basically blocks. You have news, you have a film setting, contact forms, the usual stuff, right? The way I've done Octafest is by having, so if I go back to Festeli, is by being a multi-tenant app. So that's a bit annoying, where I should have done it a bit simpler. So if I go to Festeli and I do admin, oh, I think it's just login. Yeah, so things like this, it's so admin login. There we go. And then here, 2 seconds. Let's just do that, and it's Festeli. I think it's this one. Quickly login. Okay. And now we have like, okay, so we have the reorder pages here and stuff like that. And the UI is a bit dated because it was never meant for responsive. And it's like, yeah, quite a few things that are wrong. And so I'll be redoing most of that as well with Shadcn as well. Updating things. We have a page builder. Let's say here, and drag in blocks and stuff like that. And I'll be changing the way these work as well, because at the moment we are basically, inline editors, but that's very complex to do with a few things here and there. So yeah, we'll be doing that slowly but surely. It's quite a bit of work, but I hope I can do it. Yeah, all of this is going to be much easier. Well, the way I imagine it anyway, to deal with. All right, so we'll start with like a fresh box thing. Let's close this off. We'll start with a Ash framework. And I think let's get started with Igniter. So how to get started? Let's see. Okay, run a live book, Elixir steps, use Igniter recommended. New, access Igniter Ash, CD helper, create a new project. Let's just make sure of this. And okay, next. Away, not working Mac. I don't understand why. Okay, well. Make sure that we have the latest version. Yes. And do you have DHS names? Okay, because we want that to be that. Yes. 17.4, 17.2. Okay. I don't know what you want. We can use this. Okay, so we can use this with view and CD help desk. And CD help desk. So we will not do CD help desk. Description end, add example to get an example capital directory in your app. Yes, example. Ash Postgres. Yep, Ash and progress. Oh, want to set Phoenix app setup to use the with Phoenix. Okay. We'll use Postgres. I would like to use SQLite, but Ash is not. There's a few things in Ash that are not up to par with just SQLite. So I'd rather just use this. Make sure that we have this. We already have, but yeah, just making sure. Yep, that's all good. No, it doesn't matter. Okay, so we can do, let's say, just add a new thing here because we want to do this. We won't do the example. Okay, so now we'll do help desk. We'll do Octafest. So we're just really starting fresh. And extend progress. I hope this will do the job. Let's see. Yes. Now we wait and hope for the best. It takes time. Yes. Okay, so this is where it's running. Yes. We wait for compilation again and again. Therefore, measurement pattern field is fine. 16 is fine. That's okay. Hash code and initialize. Font will run to about changes. Okay, hash setup. Seeds. Hash setup quiet. Test. Min PG version. Hash progress repo. Hash functions. Disable async true. That's nice. Spark formatter. Okay. Import depths, Spark formatter. It's quite nice. Igniter is really nice. So yeah. Okay, let's see what's next. I think the more Elixir ecosystem picks its tool up, the better it's gonna become, because it's just gonna be a really nice thing. Generate my connections. Okay, so now git tab. And I think there was a get text thing. It's like mix igniter update get text. Yeah. Oh, cd Octafest. So we can actually open code in this. It's Octafest. And here we go. We are here. And if we try again with the mix igniter update get text. Oh, what the hell? Unless cd. Let's just turn this off. Okay, let's try here. And now we are in the Octafest. Okay, and now we run mix igniter update get text. Yep. I'm happy with these changes. Yes. Okay, now we will do a thing. Control graph, I don't know what is this. Let's do, okay. So git init git add all git kg icons remove repository. Here we go. And if we open emoji finder, it's a first commit. And yeah, okay. We have this, and then this. Okay, so just in case, maps steps get and creating a first resource. I will not be going into the first resource thing. I'll be just setting up the things. Okay, so now if we run mix pcheck server, and let's open it up in our app, run migrations for repo. Okay, here we go. So now we have this, which is nice. It's the first thing, right? Next step that we're going to do is we're going to add LiveVue. For the fact being, I don't want to, I want to use the ecosystem for all the nice components and whatnot. And just, I think when it comes to having dynamic things, it's very, very, LiveVue is still not fully there. I think it's good at what it does, but when it comes to client-side state and server-side state, it's really hard to manage this. So what we'll do is we'll be adding LiveVue, which is still, yeah, but we'll have to have. And that's okay. So if we have to pages installation with white for both client. Okay, yep. Okay, so we do, which is a nice thing. So you don't need to copy this, right? Like you can do mix igniter install and just do LiveVue, and it's like npm install, and it will add everything it needs to add. Oh no, this is because I'm running the server. So let's run the server here. Well, we will be changing quite a few things. Okay, anyways, mix igniter install LiveVue. Yes. And yeah, LiveVue, but at least you didn't have to, you know, go into here, get mixed apps and all that stuff. Just one thing, and that's there. Okay, so we have this, and let's see what we need to do next. So if we go to the config dev exx, let's go to, you know, we need to add this. I just added it at the end. Should be localhost LiveVue SSR.js. I'm going to disable, but make it false. Okay. Install this. Products. We all don't need to, because we will be launching as soon as possible, so we can have things to look at. Prod exs, and yeah, Node.js. HTML helpers. So now let's find dev HTML helpers. Where is it? Dev HTML helpers. And now we will need to use support for LiveVue components. So somewhere here. I think uses before use. Okay, so we use here. View components. And let's try this. And I like this. From what I've tried it out, I think it's very good. We can omit the view component name. You can configure a path to your components, so like assets view. I think assets views. And I don't care about this. It's just going to be assets views. Yeah, assets views. It's fine. That becomes a handgun. Only required false on the it was great. Okay. Now let's do the next step. Is mix LiveVue setup. I'm sorry. Sorry, I was muted for a second there. So yeah, I've removed the hero icons because I'm not going to be using them here. So this is going to be lib.view, but this is only going to be view.view. So this is not going to be view or views. Views.view. Use view.view. Would rather have like, you want to do like a component as a page basically. Just like the front end is going to be like taken over by LiveVue and well, Vue.js and everything else here. Views, maybe views. And let's go to mix also and remove hero icons. We'll remove Tailwind. Yeah. Okay, I think all of this is going to be part of the thing. Views.view, I think there was a thing here. DevX, yes. Yes. This webworks, yes, was assets.views. So maybe source. I'll just do source. Right? And then we can just import that. But component source pages, maybe. Pages. What was it? Views. Source. Pages. So I only want to import pages as components. Everything else, I'll leave it out. Let's do that. So I'll just do source anything view will do a thing. And then we can do like not view, but we can do source index.js. So that's fine. Yes, config is already here. I need to do add. Okay. White config. View. Okay. And path is not this. I would actually prefer it to be. So it's app.js is going to be CSS. Yes, okay, that's all good. Paths, I would like to have actually at b source. Anything in the source that you can start doing. I think I need this to be a setup in tsconfig as well. Tsconfig as well. Oh, this is tsconfig. No type definitions. Well, we'll have to install those still. Module. Can I do? Yes. I'll have a look. Anyway, so I have this, and I think I need something in white. Can I do quite config ts? And yeah, command build. Let's do something here. Basis dev assets public dir static view LiveVue plugin view plus resolve, and that the name is going to be source. We'll have to have a look at how that works. JS app.js. Okay. JS static assets. Looks pretty good. The essence and the pm install. I'll do bun install just for the fun of it. Okay. Yes, okay. I think we have most of the things. Yeah, source, all good. Save. I'll need to do another thing what I do usually for this counter. New, okay. Let's install the asset. It was cd assets and npm install. Oh, no. So bun. Oh. Okay. And let's have a look at the package JSON. What did we get? Right, plugin view. Born the build. Okay. Yeah. Phoenix HTML. Bar view. Okay, looks fine. Okay, now we just have to adjust files. Okay, let's update the root HTML view to use the whitelist dependent development run. Okay, let's have a look at this. At this, oh, copy wow works. Then that's into the root HTML hex. And this is where I think let's just paste somewhere here. I want lexical. Here we go. Okay. Prep existing CSS and LiveVue reloads. Okay, so this is going to be the existing things, right? Extracting, so I'll just do this. Yes. I wonder if I oh, okay, sorry, I was this. And then remove these. Search type module. Okay, so we don't want to defer. We wanted to use type module. And we don't want to defer it. And because it's quite important to get it as soon as possible. Okay, I'll want to change this to, I think, for now it's fine. Phoenix framework, this is going to be Octafest. Okay. Update the mix, get rid of Tailwind and use backspace. Okay, so here we go. Now we go to the mix. And Tailwind and BS build can go bye-bye. And okay. FB alliances. Let's have a look at the alliances. Setup, depth, get, assets setup, apps build. So assets setup going to be this. I think I also need to just remove this from the like dev. Yeah. Watches though, all okay. I think it's just going to be a part of this. Okay, so asset setup, npm install. So it's going to be uninstall. And then it's going to be assets build. And run build server. and access deploy. Ban and hash setup is a different thing. Okay, remove this. Remove Tailwind config in the config. Okay, save. Now we go to the config. And here we remove a what? Tailwind, yes, build, I think. Yes, build. Okay, let's just have a permanent cache from env. Oh no, this is a wrong config. So I think it's what the config. Config.ex. Yes, here we go. Spark, hash domains, Octafest. Yes, build. And Tailwind. Okay. Go to dev. Dev.exs, and here we need to, I wonder will this just work? Ban. And dpath. Yes, it's there. Okay. Working. We'll want SSR to maybe work someday. But let's just do it. Application. Children. Where do you put it? Typically last entry. Or send in emails. Oh, let's hope it's that. Current example view in my live views. Okay, so now we go. And let's have a look at it. Do we have any live view? Components. We don't have any live view. Let's just create one. Live. Do I need to be live? Can I not do live? Just do pages. And let's do admin. And let's do home ex. Module home. And I have an example. I'll open up something else. It's going to be my different. Few seconds, I'll be bringing in some things. And it's going to be code. Okay. Few seconds, just searching. I wonder. Yes. Trying to find my 22. 2 seconds. Post live router. It's plus. That's not that. When I moved it, didn't say anything. Two seconds. I'm just checking something out. No. I hope that's what happened. Oh, okay. Yep, 2 seconds, just making sure everything's working here. So one thing I'll do quickly is I'll copy over a VS Code thing. So it's a little bit nicer to work with. So we have like no reply, some words applied, search exclude, excludes all the searches. So we need this here, code search. Some basically go to save at Elixir, some rules and format on save true, format on paste false, stuff like this. Auto save on focus change just helps with things. And that's that. Now we go to the router. Here we go. That's much better. It's still not the same. Oh no, it's because it's here and not here. Lib router. Here we go. That's much nicer. Just admin live maybe. Live. Save. Components. That's 2 seconds. I'm just having a look at one other thing. Test types. Course hooks. I'm always looking at the wrong thing. Yeah, let's just quickly open and solve this issue of the first list and then put it into my projects code. List. Here we go. Gonna be much nicer. View counter. Let's just find something counter. Did I not have anything with counter? Counter. No, it doesn't seem like it. Let's make sure we have it here. Okay. That's fine. Oh, sorry. Why did I do this? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, 10. Sorry about that. And undo. And I lock them. Lock these things. Sorry, I'm moving screens around. Okay, so we have home, and I just need a live thing. Admin live, something like this. And it's gonna be like this. But we'll do pages admin home. And when it's admin LiveView, we'll just do LiveView for now. LiveView. And look. And let's just have a look at this. Octafest web. I have like an older project that I've tried a few things. So I'm just making sure these things work. LiveView. View. This layouts admin components, alias this. If we go to Octafest Web and we go to LiveView, and we needed this basically alias Phoenix thing. Now what I'll want to do is I'll actually want to create this just to make sure it's going to be admin LiveView. Just for the fact being that this is all going to be admin things, and I don't want to, trash other views. We'll also change the layout to admin app, and let's go to just the app layouts, components, layouts, app. Copy this to admin app. And let's see what's here. No, we don't need anything. I think a crash group wasn't even going to be a thing, as I'll just provide the flash in a thing, but I'll just have it in mind here. And I want to have it all just like that. And in a component, we can leave the app as is. Octafest, okay. And now we render the page title. We do the end event here. And now what we shall do is just add this for now. And I hope we can test it. So we can test it. We need to have basically and counter. Big component increment. Let's add this increment event. Increment, and that's going to be socket assign count. Socket assign. Let's just do one, whatever. Just test it now. Okay. And if we go to counter, do we have a counter? Yep, that's still here. Fine. Nice. Nice. Okay. Let's see if this runs. Mix speech X server. Oh, PD. PHX server. Let's try this in our Octafest. Oh, sorry, I was importing it from LiveVue. So let's have a look at here. It's in, let's find just .view. Hey, oh no, it's like this. Yep, it's app.view, so it's gonna be source. Yep, and server.js also is going to be source review. Well, doesn't matter for me here. Okay. And now if we go to, what was the routes? Oh, we need the routes, right? So we go to there, get, we do live. And if we do, what was it? Home. So I think it's just this. Home. And this would be admin. Okay. And if we go to admin, okay. Sorry. Okay, admin live, current count, please count to 1. Okay, that's good. So now if we make sure socket assigns count and count. And now no. That should be. I mean, you can do that, sure. Let's have a look at what happens here. Oh, maybe something is not going through. First one. Go full, let's delete. And if I do, yeah, that should be fine. LiveVue and browse, count. Maybe it's crashing. Let's do this as well in the params. Yeah. And I don't know what was this wrong. Signs. It's just this plus that, right? Sign is a thing. Value. Oh, I just never plussing it to anything else. Okay. Make sure that this is fine. Inspect value here. Value. Oh, so is it not reloading? Okay. Oh, so live watcher. Yeah, because live watchers. So what we'll need to do is we go to dev and watchers, right? Here we go. Live reload. Live reload. It's gonna be Octafest as controllers, live components, right? We want also to have, well, I would basically just say anything in Octafest was reloads. Well, we could do, I'll do this. What did we call those? Pages, right? Pages? I think it's, yeah, components, pages. Anything in pages? Will that work? Let's have a look just to make sure. And now this works. Just see if that reloads our thing. Home. And let's just say aloha. Aloha. Okay, so now it reloads. And if we do something here, like in here, values, which is just 2 values. Right? Okay, it's not doing that. So value plus, let's just make sure plus 10. Okay. Yep, that's good. That works. Nice. Okay, so we have LiveVue set up. We have things. Next is going to be getting up with a shell CDN. Right? Right. I think that's going to be the case. Okay, how long have we been live? We have been live for about 58 minutes, which is an hour, which is amazing. I think that's it for today. We have LiveVue running, and from here on out, let's say adding LiveVue. No, sorry, LiveVue. Adding LiveVue. Some configuration, some things, some stuff, and stuff like that. Okay, so we have this, and I'm happy with where we got. Diff is like, and if we go to, let's see what's actually the array looking like. Quote, count, quote. Okay, yeah, it just adds this to the thing. That's nice. Yeah. If we go to LiveVue, lab, home, because basically the way this will work is, I think it's just going to be basic. I think we can do counter, right? Counter works. Well, should work. Dot counter? No, counter. Invalid tag. Let's have a look at the documentation. Just last thing. Okay, live reload. Okay, optional. Enable stable autoload for Phoenix live use. It allows for stateful reloads across the whole stack. Just definitely this notify sections, remove live components from there. Okay, let's just read the documentation, man. It's always the thing, right? Okay, let's just leave it for now. We can do dev execs. Okay, we can go to endpoint. I think it's endpoint live reload. Live reload. Okay, so we do notify. We add the notify. Notify. Components. Just Octafest. Live components. Okay. Pages. And here we need to uploads and controllers. Leave those basically. And POs, of course. Uploads and controllers. So we just leave controllers. Yep, maths. Okay, let's try this out and have a look at what that does. Install these patches. Package. Runtime depends type. Okay, well, yeah. Okay. And omit the V component name. How can I commit the V component name? So you can omit. Create generate component for each view file. View root param. View param. Okay, we have this. And okay, let's just have a look. Usage. Okay. What if I want to leave off the V component? Shortcut. Okay. View counter. Dot counter. Okay, so it would be. Let's go to the home. So it's dot counter. Attach. So mix page check server. Let's have a look. Counter is a wrong thing. Oh yes, it's going to be because any time you stray from the config, it's always like that. It assumes a lot of things, right? So if where were we? Something to do with something, right? It's just something to do with something. LiveVue, where was the helpers? Okay, the view root, yeah, because we did this, right? And it's source and it's pages. It's access view source pages. And we haven't put it there, right? Because we didn't put it there. But let's go to counter and it's in just source. If we put this source, so new pages, let's do home.view. Should I? Okay, if I do this, do that, let's do this. And let's just copy paste. And that will be fine. But let's just do homeboy. Okay. And this was home. Okay. Okay. Yep. Let's do home, so we know for sure it's a thing, right? And it's home. Sorry, homeboy. Yep. Big style. Okay. There we go. That should be fine. This is still magic sometimes. Okay. Running. Are we running? Here get changed the component home. I think it's doing it wrong. You know what? It's because it's now we'll need like home v1 because you set up. It's some weird caching thing with the way the components are built. So now if we do this, now this should be amazing. Okay. Yep. It's not finding V component changed, not found in. What did remove? V socket, V on enc count component home. Okay, let's see. Render home layout. Page. No. God knows if I know. Home. Okay. So this was before component view, big component, home view. It's fine. I mean, it's such not a big deal. I don't really care. Let me get me working. Okay. No, I'm just doing something wrong now, right? It must be. Change not found. When in doubt, clean the build folder. Both and lexical. Yeah, just clean both. And try again. Lasting a little bit longer than I expected it to, but it is what it is. It is what it is. Beep, 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 pop, pop. Just a simple thing, right? Okay. Compiling files. We are still compiling files. Compiling files. Do, 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 do. Dee, 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 dee. Okay. Here we go. Admin live. Homeboy increased by 1, 2, 3. Now, if we go to the home EX, we should get a thing where this is, let's say, 64, right? And that doesn't reload this. And that was like an N2. So like if you do this, look. We do this and we do this as a 10, right? That doesn't nuke the state here. But if we decrease the count, that's going to be 11. Oh, okay, value plus. Okay, because we sent off something. Notify, right? Let's see. Aloha boo. So that doesn't do anything. Oh, okay. Compiling, saving, compressing control stuff. Booze. There we go. That's nice. Okay, that's very good. Flash. Was socket flash will have it thing anyway. Right? And if we flash something, then and we do socket put flash. Let's just search for LiveVue flash message. LiveVue Phoenix slash message flash. Clear flash. 24. Put flash. Okay, put flash. It worked. Okay, let's do this. Put flash. Socket we don't need. Just say info. Worked. Yay. So it's quite nice, you know, like this. You can have this, and so obviously this I wouldn't have it like that. I'll have a look at like flash. If we provide flash as flash, because I will need to JSON encrypted though. And if we go to home v1 and props flash unknown and oh sorry, it's here. And then console log props dot flash, and let's have a look. What do we get? Missing in firepower flash. No, there's. Okay. Through. And then let's just clear this one. Flash code, it worked. Okay, so we do get the flash. Flash, props. Flash. Flash, no. Console log, right? Console log. What should... Oh, it's because it's nothing. But if we do watch, I think it's... I would need to remember myself my view things. It's proper flash, hopefully. And then it's just console log props flash. Watch would be import watch from view. Proxy object, it worked. Info, okay, so it's like a proxy. This is proxy option for flash value. Let's have a look at this. Undefined. But this, it worked, info. So maybe it's like JSON. JSON encode, JSON encode. And I think it was to put it into a string. Well, we'll see. That's breaking, or what is doing? It's not going through. Okay. Let's have it docs. JSON encode LiveVue JSON encode. Okay, well, we have at least one JSON. Okay, so here we go. Data props. We use data props. Okay, props handlers. Slightly instances and initializations. Prop handlers into the client if anything was changed. It is configured through change the sign. Props tip. Okay, let's try this. Okay, so just okay, so I don't need to do anything. I just pass this right flash, so it should be fine. And back here, right? It worked. So if I did this like an object, let's try doing this div class border e4 and JSON stringify props. So just flash. It worked. Okay, it worked, and now we just put this to the test. It worked. And interpolate the value. New value. Value equals count plus. That's gonna be new value. That's that, and that's gonna be new value. Okay. Okay, we're getting something. So now if I just did prop flash info hash.info. If there is a thing worked. Yeah, that's the string, right? Okay. Yeah, so that's good. So we can basically do a bit of finagling with things. We can provide things to the page title, which is our thing for the sidebar, admin live. So this would be just home or dashboard. Word. Right. Page title. Yeah, because it's not remounting, right? But I wonder, yeah, if I would need to do that because it's not remounting, which is quite nice. Yeah, and this is if flash v if flash. I wonder if I just console log props flash straight away. So props, that's just empty object. So if flash doesn't work, if flash, oh. If flash dot info. Here we go. Boop, boop, boop. Okay, that's good. That's very good. This is very good. Gudus Maximus. Okay. Okay. I think I got to where I want to be. Let's clean up. What did we do? We changed a few things here. We did the notify thing. Home thing. Okay. Good for me. And yeah. Thank you if you are watching. If I'll continue. So I'll try and do this. So it's always like a little bit of thing where I don't have a stable thing, but I try to do this stably. I'll try to do this every night at 9 to 10. So I'm not spending time into the night. But yeah, at 9 to 10, doing a little bit of this for the work and it's moving slowly but surely for things to come along. Because I'm basically practicing consistency and communication. And I hope this will be that. It's quite nice. I like it. I like it so much. Okay. Next time, what we will do is get text, enable get text. I want to make sure that I'm getting translations all over the place and on CLDR routes, so I can do like n admin and like LT adminas or something like that. But yeah, I want to be able to translate routes, which CLDR does an easy job of. So we'll do translations. We'll do translations and the layouts. That's that, yeah. I'll be cleaning up also when core components will go out, so we don't have that. And we'll see at the ways to make it simpler to create like a page or something like that. So like I wouldn't need to do this and that, right? Like a mixed task or something, which could basically, okay, add the route, add this thing, and add the component, and you know, set it up so it's basically copy paste. But I don't know, we'll see. Anyway, so thank you for watching. Have a nice day, evening, morning, whatever you do, and I shall see you next time. Bye.